Benefits of maca root and treatment. Benefits: increasing libido, reducing erectile dysfunction, boosting energy and endurance, increasing fertility, improving mood, reducing blood pressure, reducing sun damage, fighting free radicals, reducing menopause symptoms, improving learning and memory. California Gold Nutrition, Peruvian maca review. Description: California Gold Nutrition Peruvian maca. Organic maca root. Sourced from Andean district of Junin, Peru. Yellow maca cultivated 4,000 above sea level. Certified organic by AB Organic. Helps support sexual health, energy and well-being. Suitable for vegans and vegetarians. Formulated to contain no gluten, no GMOs, no soy. Produced in a third-party audited cGMP registered, certified facility. 100% gold guarantee. Suggested use: take 1 veggie capsule daily, with or without food. Best when taken as directed by a qualified healthcare professional. Warnings: keep out of the reach of children. Consult with a licensed physician, pharmacist, naturopath or other qualified healthcare professional prior to taking dietary supplements. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.